Okay, Mo. What? I'll drive you home when I'm done eating. Maybe. I'll usually rally finish. Go real far now? What's on the back? Oh, yeah. I have to go film them. Let's go, Ben. Yeah. Moach, go! Moach, No. That boy. So, Paul, where's the donuts? No, you guys can actually. No, you can't. Why are you going to finish eating it until you get home? It's like, no, you guys can't. You're saving room for donuts. Oh, no, you did. Well, I had a lot of meat today. Why would David do I had a lot of I did not, so, like, I should not be eating anything else. I really sick. Oh, I had them. Doing work. But that's out. Running those on community. Bob wants another one? I think you should open up the door. No, we were just talking about donuts and like, no. It's not over. I'm not turning out and putting all the way back. Just the two donuts shot right next to it. Shots on me! Shots on three! Well, no, there's 24 donuts and there's like 6 of us. So we can each get 3. Who's Grant fucking count? Holy Phantom Pack. So each of us get 3. No. Each of us only get 1. Paul, I got 3 of there's 24 donuts and 8 of us. Oh, no, it's the middle one. We're giving the sophomore. He's a sophomore and he got rolled. I gave him the smallest one. Look at, yeah, I guess I'm eating 3 more, Paul. No, you're not. What are you going to do about it? Wait, what's that? I can't get your back's so big, bro. I can't move fast. Yeah, but that was illegal. These are decent. Where'd you get them? Small mom and pop shop. I think David's right in theater. You about to get No, this is less different. I have a kitty level crash. I think David's a Krispy Kreme stand.
Well, I just like how it gets like white all over.
Alright. Damn!
Oh my god.
Way to go! Bro, that's mad. I didn't get it. Ron is second. No, look at my mom songs left. Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, I didn't get one either. Where'd it go? From the pizza. I like the other one better.
Go, Albert! Yes! Woo-hoo!
right now so I can smush it into one thing.
Oh my god. Holy crap.
Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday, Paul. You have a good night. Calories.
You want one more?
I do.
I didn't get my second one.
Neither did I. It's like those movies where they like make you want to have a Walk to him. See, he looked over.
My Paul, happy birthday.
My ball, happy birthday.
Go memorize the pattern on top of the box.
It was literally upside down.
Look, it's the right way. That's called memorizing the pattern.
Look, that's it. Oh, you instantly scanned that shit. You knew exactly what it was.
Happy birthday, Paul.
I'm good.
Henry, you want one more?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
You should give me one because I play 17 and save your ass.
No, you don't. I can't count that distance. You be honest.
Yes, you can.
No.
I did. I did.
Yeah, he actually did. David got one on me.
Really good.
Yeah.
I didn't get that.
You got two
I got that gold. I was like, yeah, gold.
You got two green house, right?
No, I didn't. I only got.
You got one.
You got two.
That's embarrassing. That is.
So that's it. Fake news.
I only have two, right? No, I didn't even have one. I had none. Oh, actually? I had none, and I was cooking number 8. I'm talking about donuts. Oh, my fault. No, I didn't do it. Oh.
You already touched it. Hey, just wait to just put your dick on. Put your dick on. See your fucking eyes.
Who's the biggest hole?
Yes. Yes. Woo! Oh, so close.
David just brought like a 2x4. Papa, wir haben Kuchen nach Hause, right? Wir haben Kuchen zu Hause? Wir haben Kuchen zu Hause. Keine Ahnung, ja. I'm not going to eat some of these. I really is one. I'm not going to eat one. I'll give one to David. One of them has peace the most, and the other one has basketball.
No. Get it. Hurry up, guy. Dang it. Oh! So close. Good try. Very good. Hurry up. 再不投就没时间了啊！哦， 够了够了。
Last row,